Tony Busby, the Texas attorney who filed a series of sex abuse lawsuits against Sean Diddy Combs, has been forced to back out of more than a dozen cases involving the hip hop mogul, and he's putting the blame on Jay-Z. Last week, Busby withdrew himself in the slew of lawsuits that he filed against Combs in New York federal court after it became clear that he was not permitted to practice law there, according to court documents reviewed by Business Insider. I emailed Busby about this, and he insisted that a grievance filed against him by Jay-Z was to blame for his admission denial to the Southern District of New York. Jay-Z's attorney didn't respond to a request for comment. One of Busby's clients had sued both Jay-Z and Combs in a now-dismissed lawsuit. Jay-Z has since turned the tables, suing both that woman and Busby for defamation. In denying Busby's admission to the SDNY in a February order, the chair of the court's Committee on Grievances wrote that Busby appeared in cases in the court without seeking admission. And Busby isn't the only one in hot water. A judge overseeing one of the cases said in a ruling last week that Busby improperly filed numerous actions in the court using the document filing credentials of the New York attorney who he co-filed the suits with. The judge also suggested that the other lawyer's apparent complicity in Busby's actions could warrant sanctions. Busby, however, denies using another attorney's credentials. For now, Busby says that until he gets the situation at SDNY sorted out, he's focusing on the flurry of lawsuits that he's filed against Combs in New York State Court, where he says he's properly licensed. Combs has denied the federal sex trafficking charges against him, as well as all allegations of sex abuse.